Here's an example of naming a branched chain alkene. So we're going to notice that we follow a very similar process that we did with naming alkanes. First thing you should notice that's different about this than before is we have a double bond. So that double bond means that we're in the world of alkenes. We're in unsaturated. If that was a triple bond, we would be in alkenes. Okay, but there, we follow the same process. So first of all, we need to find the longest continuous carbon chain that includes the double bond. So let's count the longest we can get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So because we are in 7, that is going to be named hept. And then because of the double bond, it's heptene. Okay. Next, what we have to do is we have to number. And now, normally we would number so that we could get the lowest number to the branches. But in this case, we're going to number so we get the lowest number to the double bond. So I'm going to number it in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see that my lowest number on that double bond. Had I numbered this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 would have been on my double bond. This way the number 2 is. So we're going to name it, we're going to number it in that way. Okay, so this is now called a 2-heptene. And it's a 2-heptene because 2 is where that double bond starts. Now we have to name the branches. So I have a branch off of 4, a branch off of 6. They are both 1 carbons, so they are both methyls. So we have dimethyl, there's 2 of them, and they're located on number 4 and number 6. Okay, so now all we need to do is we need to put that entire name together. So putting this all together, we have 4,6-dimethyl. You'll notice we put dashes between numbers and letters. Dimethyl, and then we would name it 2-heptene. Okay. So a couple things that were different is just the ending, and we had to tell the location of where that double bond was. Another thing I did want to show you while we were here is this is the ball and stick diagram of the same molecule. So you'll see we have our carbons, 1, 2, and then that double bond, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So just another way of visualizing. Here's the structural, and this is the ball and chain. Sorry, ball and, what do they call that? Ball and stick, not ball and chain. That's something else. Ball and stick model. So that's if you were actually using a model kit, this is the shape it would make. And notice those 2 bonds there. So those 2 bonds means I've taken up 2 of the holes or 2 of the lines off of this carbon right here. So then I only have 2 more coming out. Each carbon you'll see has 4 things coming out of it.